Hey guys, it's Justin back with another video. Now we recently bought a brand new unlocked LG G6 off eBay for a low price of $150, but decided not to make a review of it as there are already plenty out there. However, what we did want to do was make a 2020 update video on Android Pie on the G6 and the software experience in general. Let's get straight in. This AT&T variant of the LG G6 came with Android Oreo pre-installed, and after an annoying few weeks, we decided to flash to the Canadian version of the G6 with Android Pie using a downloaded ROM and LG app. As you can see, the G6 now reads as HX73, and when we first boot up the phone with the new ROM installed, there is no Blu-ray to be seen. If you want to see a video on how to flash to a different ROM, let us know in the comments. Why do we update? Well, for one, our phones weren't receiving any Pie updates, and two, forums have said that the Canadian version is snappier than the AT&T variant, and so far, that's been accurate. So what's different in Android 9? When we first flashed to this new version, the phone was slow. Opening apps wasn't fast and the phone didn't feel snappy at all. However, after a day or two, it sped up a decent amount, and I stayed at consistent speed from then until now, a month later. First off, the system apps. For a lot of these apps like settings, notes and camera, some things have changed. They don't necessarily feel faster, but have a better layout, making it look better and easier to navigate. For example, in the camera app you can now change the different modes around to suit what you use the most. Secondly, the system UI. Differences include a new status bar and a new lock screen that I don't really like all that much because of this. What else is new are these new navigation buttons. When I first saw this, I wasn't on board on this style of buttons. I honestly kinda thought Android was copying Apple and the X series lineup of phones. However, I give it a try and I don't regret it at all. I personally like this swipe up and side swipe gestures to change and swap between recent apps, and this new style also helps my home screen look more minimal. Third, battery life. Arguably the most important part of a phone. Some have said that it's been worse, some have said that it's been better. For us, it stayed the same. A generally consistent 5 to 6 hours of screen on time, which is enough to get me through a day, using Wi-Fi and Bluetooth with my i30s. This is actually decent considering this phone only uses a 3300 mAh battery, which actually isn't that much nowadays. Next, the performance. On Android 8, performance was subpar. PUBG ran absolutely terrible, only achieving max 30 FPS using a GFX tool on lowest settings everything. I hate to say it, but it's only a 10% performance increase on Pi. I can now hit a bit over 30 FPS on the same settings, but this isn't really auto-playable. It was the same with COD Mobile. When playing Battle Royale on that game, it was even worse. However, playing regular TDM allowed me to reach 60 FPS consistently. To be honest, I'm blaming it on the software. The Snapdragon 821 paired with 4GB of RAM should be plenty in order to run a game like PUBG. I doubt the flagships of 2016 and 17 like the OnePlus 3 and Google Pixel game as bad as this phone. Even budget phones nowadays would game better than this. Things could change however if I were to flash to a totally different ROM like Lineage OS. There was a tool which I didn't use that could help with the lackluster game performance, LG's own gaming tool. It's been given a whole new suite of options and a new look as well. You can access it in-game by pressing an icon on the navigation bar. Despite the camera UI being slightly different, the camera performance has actually been identical to Oreo. Noise is evident in medium to low light conditions, but when you're in well-lit environments that this phone can really take some great pictures. There are also some Gcam ports available that can produce equally outstanding pictures. That's not why I have it though, I got it for this. Yep, astrophotography is possible with this phone. Video has never been too great with the G6. It looks fine until you look closely. There's really not a lot of detail in videos and they end up looking soft. This has been the same for both Oreo and Pi. I have some more gripes about Pi on the G6, and that is that there's no inbuilt screen recorder. This is one of many other things that I would like to see. Other phones such as the Google Pixel with Android 9 have new features. There are actually a few posts on the G6 subreddit with people asking why Android Pie on the phone is so bare and empty. So should you update to Pi? If you're on the G6 currently, yes. I couldn't really find any problems on Pi over Oreo, it's only slight improvements. If you're considering to get this phone in 2020, make sure not to pay over $200 for it. For over $200, you'd be better off getting another phone with better update scheduling. However, if you can find it for around the $150 mark, I would recommend it. Design and build is top notch and will beat another budget phone easily, but the software is just such a big letdown. Not to mention, this phone will most likely not receive Android 10, maybe just security patches. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, hit us up in the comments and we'll try to help you the best we can. Thanks for watching, see you next time.